Yeah, what it do, YouTube? This your boy Ryan6083 back again with that Nissan. Well, I don't know if you can see the light, but that Nissan though. Um, I bought me a Scorpion voltmeter and I just installed it. I had to go buy a switch from Walmart, and I use a couple strands of Kicker 16 gauge speaker wire that I had to make it a little longer, and I ran it here inside here. Let me show you guys inside my little thing right here. It's kind of flickering right now because I have the lights on and the AC on, but you know, there it is. It's at 14.0. That's not bad. Stock alternator, stock front battery, a yellow top in the rear, Kicker 650, Pioneer head unit, you know, selenium tweeters. You know, it's not that bad. It just dropped down from 14 to 13.2. But cut these lights off. But yeah, that's my voltmeter I just installed. But alright, shoot another video with the music playing and see how much it drops with just this Kicker 650. I'm out.